Today we're deep, 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 deep in the middle of the ocean.
Say guys, we're cruising. I think we'll be in Puerto Vallarta. No, we got one more day to go.
No, 2 days.
Tuesday, huh? We get there Tuesday?
We're in a deep, 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 deep ocean.
Like literally, Papa. We're in the deep, 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 deep ocean. Like,
You never seen this much water before.
Afterwards, we go golfing. Yeah! You saw people were doing this?
yeah.
I will go there.
I don't know if you're big enough to go on the sky ride. No shoes on?
Yep.
You need shoes.
Just waking up Sunday morning. Oh, today's Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you, baby.
Everybody's up having Mother's Day breakfast already.
Oh, really?
But you gotta go early to the cafeteria. I was down there at 6:30, so the cafeteria opens at 6:30.
You got
On a cruise like this, or any cruise, if you really want to get your food nice, nobody touched over it, if you go at 6:30, they just open the omelet station. They got cucumbers, they got cantaloupe, they got what's the citrus melon, grapefruit. You can get all the cereal is out, all the stuff that you want to get nice and fresh.